So today we're going to do our monthly training, which consists of a couple tracks, and we'll do some area article searches. We'll also do some detection work, which includes going into a building scenario. These monthly trainings are important for us as handlers because we're able to start to recognize and make sure that the dogs are sharp and still doing what they've been trained to do. So we have a puppy today who's a new recruit who's looking to get through the school coming up. When we're training, or when they're tracking, they get into what's called a profile. So that profile is something that we learn as handlers during the school. As a handler, I've got to be able to recognize that profile, because if that profile, particular behavior changes on the dog, it may go off looking for a squirrel. I got to be able to recognize that.
Did you see her kind of veer off a little bit? So there must have been some other scent there, but her whole behavior changed, if you notice, you know? So she recovered good.
They know their job. The confidence is in the handler as well, that we feel good about our dogs when we go to look for someone. All training helps go a long way. It's good to have the confidence in your canine and knowing that we have a pretty good chance of having success.